How to choose a dash cam for your vehicle. Driving vehicles on road is becoming risky with the increasing population of people and vehicles both. For personal driving of vehicles or public transportation, safety measures need to be kept in mind, especially for drivers, because drivers are the key person. The transporters should have regular monitoring measures to improve driver safety and vehicle safety to run a successful business in the transportation sector. To ensure driver safety and better vehicle monitoring, the recent sensation in the logistics industry is Fleet Dashcam. On installing the dashcam on vehicle such as truck, trailers, containers and on any load vehicles, the transporters want to ensure the safety of vehicles, load and drivers to improve the safety standards along with organizational reputation. So, to shed some light on the dashcam, we have come up with some detailed insights on understanding the role of dashcam in vehicles. All details are discussed in this video. Understanding basics about dashcam before choosing. Camera range wide angles. The camera used in the dashcam fixed on the windshield of the vehicles covers the range from 140 degrees in certain dash cameras and it may go up to 170 degrees in certain variants of the dashcams. So, as a user or logistics operator, if you wish to cover a wide range of views to record the happenings before the vehicle, then the dashcam should be chosen wisely. Camera recording speed. The normal camera speed in general will be 24 fps, that is frames per second. This applies to the vehicle dashcam to record the incidents occurring on and around the vehicle. Since the camera will be streaming happenings live and at the same time the incidents will be captured from the moving vehicle. In this case, the ideal recording speed of the dashcam is recommended at 30 fps. Temperature withstanding capability. Certain dashcams cannot withstand both heavy heat and cold. Depending upon the geographic terrain the vehicle travels, the logistics operators should purchase the dashcam to withstand the temperature so that the installation will be effective and ensure safety. Mounting structure on the vehicle. The requirement will vary according to the vehicle type and usage type. If the vehicle needs permanent mounting, then the transporter can opt for the permanent adhesive type dashcam for the vehicle. Because of certain circumstances, for that in certain cases there will be a need of fixing the dashcam on the vehicle for a temporary period. For that, the dashcam should support fixing and removing type without affecting the vehicle structure. Built-in screen on dashcam. In the market, there are dashcams with built-in screens so that the driver and cabin team can view the live streaming of the recording happening on the vehicle. Emergency sensors. Dashcam provides emergency sensors and SOS alerts to the drivers in the emergency situation. In case if there is any collision with the vehicle, the emergency sensor on the dashcam will raise alerts to the vehicle operators. Similarly, in case of an emergency, the driver can send emergency alert by pressing the SOS alert on the vehicle, which will raise emergency alert to the fleet operators. Why do you need dashcam in vehicles? For emergency situations. Installing dashcam on vehicles may come in handy in emergency situations where there is some accidents or harsh driving occurs on the road while the vehicle is on the trip. The fleet manager or logistics operator managing the vehicle can guide and instruct the driver. In any emergency situations, the dashcam with live streaming along with the GPS tracking will be useful for the transporters to handle the crunch situations that occurs on the road. Driver monitoring. One of the major factors for installing the dashcam on vehicle by transporters is to monitor the driver's behavior while driving on the road, as the transporters can see the live streaming of cabin view with every detail that driver does while driving. If the driver is smoking, eating or having drowsiness, it all can be monitored with the dashcam. Based on the input from the dashcam, the fleet manager can have strong evidence if in any case if the driver needs any improvement. There are dashcams with ADAS, that is Advanced Driver Assistance System, which will alert the driver on certain circumstances where the driver needs to be alerted. Say for example, if the driver feels sleepy or tired, the ADAS dashcam will identify the circumstances and alert the driver. Real-time vehicle visibility. On installing the vehicle dashcam, the transporter will have real-time vehicle visibility along with the GPS location. The fleet managers can easily monitor the vehicles under his control using the software application with live streaming. The dashcam recording footage can be stored both in cloud and SD card local storage. Insurance claims and accident proofs. Dashcam is the perfect material for vehicle insurance claims and in accident scenarios. In the current era, we all blame the truck drivers and logistics operators in the accident cases, but the actual truth would have been different. In case of installing the dashcam, the recorded footage with timestamp, GPS location and voice recording can be provided as proof of evidence before the law and also claim the insurance of vehicles on damage done by others. Top 6 factors to consider while choosing the dashcam. Reliability. Before choosing the dashcam for your vehicle, the transporter needs to ensure it will be traveling in tough conditions or weather. It may be hot or too cold, terrains like valleys, plains, mountains or any other rough terrain. Second, recording potential. If it is just to monitor the driver's behavior, the logistics operator can opt one-channel dashcam, which will record and stream live footage on the software application. In certain instances and for insurance claims, the logistics operator may need to install two-channel dashcam with both road and cabin view by fixing the dashcam on the vehicle windshield. For certain logistics operations such as money-carrying vehicles, the operators can choose the 4-channel dashcam, where the external camera can be fixed on the vehicle as per the requirement. Quality of video clips. The dashcam resolution will vary from 480p to 1400p, but it is wise to choose the dashcam over 1080p as it provides better quality of image and video clippings. The video quality is important in case of accident recordings as we need to record the number plate details and other aspects will be depending on the camera quality. Internal storage. It is recommended to choose the higher class range SD card for the dashcam to record the high quality videos. The next aspect is the storage capacity. If the storage capacity is low and the video will not be stored on the SD card. And the last point is application stability. The next most important factor is the software application to stream the videos. The videos are streamed live, so for that the application should be stable and stream videos without much delay or breaks while monitoring the vehicle on the dashcam software application. If you need more assistance on dashcam, you can reach us at sales@vamosys.com or support@vamosys.com. Thank you.